No.
It's not cut my hand.
Cari tu ya, kapal.
Inside the circle.
Inside the circle.
Side.
Small circle.
Small circle.
Your mouth to the hole. Just throw our handphone. Just throw our handphone. We use this.
Okay, so this is because this shape has a parabolic shape. So like you see, like for example, satellites. You see the astro plates. It's all have this shape. So it traps all the signals in the center, all the signals, all the sounds, and then bounce it through this hole.
The signal.
Okay. So these shapes really important to trap the sounds. Okay, now. Okay, the last example have an electric instability. So for example, as I'm going to show, so you know this,
The light.
when I push it to the
Jiran.
Yep, because it has electricity high. Okay, so who wants to try? Okay, so I'll show person, just touch over here, and then you make your friend touch your home. So
Oh.
like a static